Solve x to the power of 4 is equal to x minus 4 to the power of 4. X is equal to question mark. To solve the equation x to the power of x equal to x to the power of minus 4 to the power of 4, take fourth root on both sides. Take fourth root on both sides. We get x is equal to x minus 4. This is equation number 1. X is equal to 4 minus x. This is equation number 2. Let us take equation number 1. X is equal to x minus 4. Subtract x from both sides. X minus x is equal to x minus 4 minus x. X minus x 0. X minus 4 minus x. This contradicts so that there are no solution from this equation. So take an equation 2. X is equal to 4 minus x. In this, add x to both sides. We get 2x is equal to minus x plus x cancel 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. Therefore, we get x is equal to 2. Thus, the solution of this equation x to the power of 4 is equal to x minus 4 to the power of 4 is equal to, therefore x is equal to 2. That's our answer. Thank you for watching.